Okay.
Okay. So what is today's event? Yes.
Hi, I'm Jivan D'Souza, and we're here. This is Engineering Week at DeVry College of New York, and we have a whole array of presentations and competitions we have over here. To start with, this is our DeVry New York IEEE chapter website, which talks about the different events we have and the different things we do. We also have a membership drive, and we have some literature. We have different kinds of IEEE magazines over here. We're encouraging students to join the club because it can help them a lot in their professional life. Besides the membership drive, we are also having a soldering competition, and as you can see over here, we have 5 students. They are all XCT students competing in this competition. They're trying to put together an electronic circuit. There's George and
Raymond.
Raymond.
Raymond, say hi to the camera. And Lucard.
Hey. And over here on this side we have
T-Hut Kong.
Turn on the circuit a little bit to see what they're doing.
And then we have our star student DeMar, our IEEE president.
Right there.
As a good leader, what I do is I let them win.
All right, and now we're gonna move it to Professor Lamore, who's gonna talk. He's doing a presentation on voice over IP.
Okay.
So right over here is Professor Lamore, and Professor Lamore and his students have built a voice over IP system. Professor, could you explain to the audience what the system is about?
All right, we have two students here. It's Julio and Daniel as well. This is a Cisco voice over IP system, and we have the Cisco phones, IP phones. So far we have 2 phones the students set up, and we use the server for the Cisco call manager system, and the server connects to that switch here. Each of the phones have 2 extensions on them, therefore you can make at least you can take a call and receive another call as well while it's on hold. Students can actually test it. This laptop is used to manage with the front end, create extension, manage extension. These are the phones we create, and if you look at one of the phones here, we have the extension, and there's a name of the extension here. And then we put name on it, so when somebody calls you for the caller ID, you can identify who's making the call. Now at this point, I think Julio and Daniel will make a quick
as you see, the
demo.
extension here is 2164003, and in this side it's 4001. So I will code that side by dialing 2164001, right?
And the phone is ringing.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear
And
you.
then you can hear.
That's the way.
So they can hear.
Awesome.
So you can. How many phones can you connect to the server?
The system can take thousands of phones.
Thousands, but
And the way the system is a very complex system. It's a single server.
okay.
In the real world, you can build something called clusters.
Okay.
So we have many servers can work together as one. So at this point, you can support more than 30,000 endpoints.
It's a very scalable.
So it's actually.
So you just have more and more hubs. You connect more and more hubs. Okay, but it's one server can handle so many. All right, cool.
Yeah.
And if you wanted to have regular landlines and cell phones get integrated into the system, how would you do that?
That's where you
gateways,
Use
signaling gateways,
okay. But you haven't done that here, right?
No.
You're only using soft phones and whatnot.
The only thing they do we simulate is an analog phone. We do have a router. They have special ports called FXS port, and these ports you can plug. They call foreign exchange stations.
Okay.
You can plug analog phones, and we do have analog phones, and we plug them in to simulate the internet kind. So we have the old analog phones that you use at home as well, and that's the only one they use for gateway.
All right, thank you very much, guys. Thank you. So once again, thank you for watching. This is DeVry College of New York Engineering Week. Thanks.